Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So we are Stop and Shop, right, you guys. So this deal that I want to share with you is the spend 15 and earn 500 gold points. This is a limit 5 offers. So does this mean we could do uh, this deal in one account 5 times? I haven't seen this before. So this is a limit 5. I'm actually gonna try I'm gonna try it to see if it's gonna work in one account, y'all. I'm gonna do it twice, but let's just not for now do the first transaction. The first deal I'm gonna do is going to be on these 3.99 human ones. Of course, there's more things that's included, but I'm going to be focusing on this human mayo. Um, the spicy. I'm gonna be grabbing two of these spicy and garlic. I'm gonna do spicy and garlic, and then I'm gonna do the chili lime and Italian and herbs because we have some fetch offers. I'm gonna be grabbing these four right here for the total of $15.96. Okay, I'm gonna be using four of these coupons right here. Like I told you guys, if you sign up for the humans web email list, they send email coupons to you time to time. You also get this coupon through an Instagram fairy. If you are interested, let me know. So I'm gonna be using four of those. That's going to leave me to pay $10.96, and then we're going to get that 500 gold points, which is just equivalent to $5 if you redeem it for grocery. And then we're going to submit our receipt to fetch rewards because we have some offers for this spicy and garlic. We have like $1.25, and then for the salad dressing we have $1.15. So that's $4.18 coming back from fetch rewards. That's going to make our final price just $1.16 for all four items. So of course, we have the regular real mayo that's part of it, but those fetch offers are not part of it. So if you take this one, you're just not going to get that 480 fetch points, right, you guys? So I'm gonna do this deal again. I did it last week. I'm gonna do it again this week. They are $2.50, and I'm gonna be grabbing 2 for $5. And then we have a $1 off of a 2 digital coupon that I'm going to use on these. That's going to leave me to pay $4. I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each, as well as 50 cents back on each. So this is $3 coming back from Ibotta, $1 digital coupon, leaving both of them to be just $1 or 50 cents a piece. We also have a Fetch Rewards offers. So check your offers and submit your receipt on Fetch as well. All right, you guys. So the next deal I want to do is going to be on this deal right here for Lay's potato chips. Or you could also do the Santina's tortilla chips. So they are two for $5. But when you purchase two of them, they're going to ring for $1.97 each. So that's a digital coupon that you have to make sure that you already clip to your account to get this sell promotion right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be grabbing 5 of them. So the one that is not here, like I'm purchasing two and two, that's four, and then the extra one is going to ring for 250, just because you have to buy them in the pairs to get it for $1.97. So I'm okay with that. I'm going to pay $2.50 for the fifth one. So I'm grabbing 5 of these. My total is going to be $10.38. We have a $1 off of a 5 digital coupon plus the $1 off of a 5 paper coupon from coupons.com. That's going to leave me to pay $6.38. And then we also have a $2 back when you purchase 5 on checkout 51. So that's going to take off we're going to get additional $2 back, making our final price just $4.38 for 5 boxes of the Lay's chips. So I just want to share some of these clearance found in my store. So check your store if you want these kind of items. They seem to be on 50% off. Uh, Select the items. I'm really not in need of any, but if you are, definitely take a look at your store. Like these right here, these are 40% off. So definitely take a look. You have like 94 cents. Not bad if you need it. All right, you guys. So the next deal I want to do is going to be on this promotion right here for $5 off when you spend $20 in participating products, which include like the Arm& and Hammer and OxyClean products. So I'm going to start by grabbing these toothpastes right here. The Arm& and Hammer toothpastes. They are priced at $3.99. I'm gonna be grabbing four of these right here. So I'm gonna be picking up the OxyClean powder, but you can also pick up the liquids right here. You can pick up Arm& and Hammer. So I'm just gonna be picking up one of these, pricing at $6.99 this week. All right, you guys. So this is what I'm doing for my first spend 20 and save $5 instantly. I'm grabbing four of the Arm& and Hammer toothpastes, pricing at $3.99 each, and then the OxyClean pricing at $6.99. So my total is $22.95. We're gonna be using four of these coupons right here that are from coupons.com. So that's going to take off 150 each, and then we also have a $1.50 digital coupon as well. So that's going to leave me to pay just $10.45, and then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each one of the toothpastes. So my final price for all of this is going to be $1.45, y'all. You can also grab the Arm& and Hammer uh, laundry liquid, or you can also grab the pads right here, pricing at $6.99, and these are $6.99 as well, or the cut litter, which is pricing at $12.99. But for my next transaction, the second transaction for the spend 20 and save $5, I'm going to be grabbing one of these right here. You would think that these are like save $2 when you purchase one, but it's actually just a rebate that's expired already. So this rebate was good until 7/31, so it's no longer valid for these products. So I'm gonna be grabbing the large ones right here, the 105 loads. These are included for $6.99. I'm grabbing one of these. We have a $1 digital coupon plus $1 paper coupon that is due to expire today. So we may have a new ones coming Sunday. So definitely check your um, digital folders or coupons.com to see if we got a new one for you guys to use. If you don't have it, then you would just subtract the $2 additional, the $2 printable and $2 paper. So if you don't, if it's not reset for Sunday, then you would just pay $2 higher, which is like the $1 digital and then the $1 paper that I am using. So I'm gonna be grabbing one of these right here. That's a huge bottle. So this is what that second transaction will look like. The total is going to be the same thing, $22.95, and then I'm gonna be using four of these coupons on this transaction as well, and then I'm going to be using the $1 $1 off of a one plus $1 off of a one digital as well. So that's going to take off additional $2. So for this one, after our digital and the paper coupons, that's going to leave us a to pay $8.45 and submit our receipt to Ibotta for $8 back on these. So the final price is going to be just 45 cents for all of these right here. So like I said, by the time you see in this video, this coupon may be expired already and the digital is no longer available. So your total will be $2.45 for these right here. So that's definitely not bad considering you got this huge bottle for 105 loads. I also want to share this deal with you guys in case somebody need it. They are priced at $3.99 on sale. These are the large ones, the Ajax or the Palm Olive. We have $1 digital coupon plus the printable coupon that you could find either on the Palm Olive website or Ajax website, which will double and take off $1.50, leaving you to pay $1.49 for one of these. So if you need it, it's definitely not a bad. I might opt out to do this deal that I'm about to do because my store is out. So These 35 count single ones are priced at $3.49. We have a $1 digital coupon plus the $1 paper coupon or the 75 cents that will double. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be grabbing two of them, and then we have a 50 cents off of one digital coupon plus a $1 off of one digital coupon, and then I'm going to be using two of these, which are going to double plus submit into a butter for $2 back because I'm purchasing two of these bottles. So that's going to make them both to be just 48 cents for two, or you could just grab one and then use your digital and your paper, and everything will be just be completely free. So I'm just gonna take two of them for 48 cents. All right, y'all. So the next deal I want to do is going to be on these go-gurts, pricing two for $6. I'm gonna be grabbing two for the $6. We have the $1.50 off of a two digital coupon, and then we also have a battery bay for 50 cents back. So I'm going to take it and complete my fetch offer to earn a $1.20 for spending $10 on the selected General Mills back to school kind of rebate thing. So I'm gonna complete that. So I should get $1.20 from there. Fetch. My final price is gonna be like $2.30 for two of them. All right, you guys. So the next deal I want to share with you is going to be on these Lendo Lakes eggs. These are the 12 counts brown large eggs. They are priced at $4.49 in my stores. So I'm gonna be grabbing two for $8.98, and then we're going to submit our receipt to Swag Box for 600 Swag points, which is equivalent to $6, making them $2.98. We did have a checkout 51 rebate, but that rebate is no longer available. So two boxes for $2.98. Definitely not bad. All right, y'all. So this is my best and exciting deal for this week. The Cracker Barrel artisan cheese right here because we have a battery bay and they are on sale. Grab two. They're going to ring up for two for $4. So I'm gonna be grabbing one of the artisan flavor, and then I'm going to grab one of the any other flavor. I haven't decided yet. So $4, we have a $4.79 on the artisan flavor at Ibarra, and then we have a 75 cents back on the regular ones. So my final price is going to be a $1.54 money maker, no coupons needed. So my next deal is going to be on these country crack butter drizzle and sizzle. So they are priced at $2.50. I've been looking for this everywhere since we had Ibotta rebate, and I couldn't find it nowhere in my store. Look where they put it right here. It has not, and the regular butters are all the way up there. So they were not even next to each other, and he's not telling me which aisle to find the item. And I finally just spotted right here for. So I'm just gonna be grabbing one for the 250 and using a $1.50 digital and then $1 paper coupon, making them completely free. I just want to share this deal with you guys if in case anybody need these vitamins. So these calcium zincs, these are the cheapest one. Buy one get one free. Plus we have $1 digital coupon, but that digital coupon is due to expire soon. So definitely check that. So you would pay 6.99 and then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5 back on one, making both of them just $1.99. So if you need this, is it definitely a great deal. All right, guys. So the next deal I want to share with you is that buy three and earn 600 and go points. And these are Neutrogena pork cleanser are part of it, pricing at $6.49, and we have $3.50 digital coupon plus the $3 of 50 cents off of one paper coupon if you could use it. So, and then we also have the Neutrogena. These are the cheapest one that I see that's included for $5.69 in my store. And you grab one, you're gonna use $2.50 digital coupon and $2.50 paper coupon. I also want to share that these OGX are part of the buy three and earn 600 go points. We have $3 digital and $3 paper from coupons.com. So if this is what you want to add to it, you could definitely do that as well. All right, you guys. The method shampoo and conditioners are also on part of the 600 go points. And then we have a digital and paper coupons. We have $3 digital coupon and then $3 paper coupon that you could use, which look like this. But be mindful when you scan this on self checkout, is actually going to ask for cashier to scan their card. It's going to accept it, but it's gonna ask them to scan their card. So definitely be mindful of that. I'm going to chance it and take one of these conditioners right here because I really want to try it. All right, you guys. So this is what I'm doing for my buy three and get the 600 go points this week. So my total is 47. And then for the Neutrogena, we have the $2.50 plus $2.50 digital as well. And then for the I'm sorry, that was clean and clear. And then for the Neutrogena, we have the $3.50, and then the digital and the paper. And then for the method, we have the $3 and then the $3 digital as well. So that's going to leave me to pay $3.47, earning that 600 gold points. Plus, we're going to submit our receipt to Ibarra for $2 back on these, and then $2 back on the checkout 51 as well. That will make everything here completely free for us. $6.23, 53 cents pretty much. So if you guys didn't see how I did my spend, buy three and earn 600 gold points. Last week I picked up these dials, which are priced at $2.50. So you could definitely do this deal if that's what you want. We also have a great deal on this soap body washes pricing at $4.99. We have a $2 digital coupon plus you could print a 75 cents off of a one that will double and take off 150. So that's going to leave you to pay just 99 cents for one bottle. So if you need it, definitely an amazing deal. I want to share this deal with you guys in case your store might have it. It's on the Axe dry sprays, which are priced $6 this week. And then we have a $6 digital, two of them, which will make them both completely free. So my store is completely out. So if you guys have it, definitely I must do deal is two deodorant spray for completely free. All right, you guys. So the next deal I want to share with you is the same deal as the Hillman Mayo, which says spend 15 and earn a 500 go points. But they did say limit is 5. So if you want to do this in the same account, you could definitely do that. I'm going to grab three of these, pricing at $5.99 each. My total is going to be $17.97. I printed these $1 off of one coupon from on the Poise website. So these are going to take off $1 each, so that's $3. You have a $5 off of a two digital coupon that will attach to these, and then a $4 off of a two that should attach to the next one, and then a three off of a one that should attach to the next one, leaving us to pay. I think so that would leave us to pay $2.97 and earning a 600 gold points, which will make this completely free, plus a $2.03 money maker. So if you don't want to use that printable coupon, you could just grab three of them for $5.99, and all three boxes will just be completely free. No paper coupon is needed if you have all the three digital coupons. So this is everything I'm grabbing. Let's go check out and see how everything turns out. I am going to be using this deal. I'm gonna do it twice, one with the OxyClean and one with the Arm& Hammer. So I'm gonna use two different accounts so I could get the additional $1.50 for the toothpaste. So let's go check out, y'all.